Chapter number 2, Joyeux anniversaire, Paul. We are going to start up with back exercise, question number 2. Before that, I am going to give you a short revision of our adjective demonstrative. We have already done adjective demonstrative. So there are 4 main adjectives. Sir is used with masculine singular. Then CET is used with, again, masculine singular, but in front of vowel. That word should be start with a vowel. Next, CETTE is used with feminine singular, and CES is used with masculine, feminine, plural. Okay? This we have done already. It was a short revision. Sir with masculine singular, CET is with masculine singular in front of a vowel. Then CETTE is front of masculine singular, and CES in masculine, feminine, plural. So for that, you have to check the word next to this adjective, that either it's masculine, feminine, plural, or vowel. Okay? Now we are going to start with question number 2. You need to tick the correct answer in this. Okay? It is written in first part, Seth or Seth, fee. What is fee? Fee is a girl. Girl is feminine and it is singular, so CETTE is the correct answer. Please tick the correct answer and write the complete sentence below. You'll write Seth fee a étudiant. Complete sentence you are going to write. Question number 2, second part, it's written CETTE or sir, école. École is school and it is feminine, so cette école. Cette école est très grande. Third part, il habite dans ce or cet appartement. Appartement is masculine, and the very next thing is it is a vowel, starting with a vowel. So this is masculine singular in front of vowel. CET is placed. Il habite dans cet appartement. Next, je porte toujours ce ou ces chaussures. Je porte toujours ce ou ces chaussures. Chaussures are shoes. S is there, so it is plural. So CES is the correct answer. Je porte ces chaussures. Last part of this question. Mes amis achètent cette ou cette écharpe. Now écharpe is a hat and it is feminine, so CETTE is cette écharpe. Though it is starting with a vowel, but still it is ending it with E, and it's not necessary that the word which is ending with E is always feminine. There are some exceptions in some cases. So in this case, écharpe is feminine and CETTE is the correct answer. My friends are buying the hat. Question number 3. Again, you have to fill in the blanks with adjective demonstrative. Okay? A part is il vend dash livre. Dash livre and dash dossier. So S is given. Whenever the S is given, what is the answer? What we are writing? Its plural form, we are going to write the answer is CES. Ces livres, ces dossiers. Next, est-ce que tu préfères dash musician? Dash musician. You can see musician is the masculine, musician is the feminine one. So your answer is set musician. C part dash appartement. Apartment is the masculine and it is starting with a vowel. So with masculine singular vowel, CET is placed. Set apartment. Very good, Mukul. The answer is correct. D part dash crayon. It is written dash crayon. J'achète dash crayon. I buy this pens. Crayon or pens. Say crayon. S is given because S is given. Here it is starting with A. It is masculine singular vowel. Double N E is feminine. Where S is placed, that means these are plural. So you have to check accordingly. E part dash chanson. Chanson is a song. Dash chanson est très mélodieuse. This song is very melodious. So sa chanson. As chanson is masculine. Question 4 is you need to put this in order. It's a jumble sentence and you have to rearrange it. What is the rule? Most of you get confused. What is the rule? First of all, just see what is the subject. Then see what is the verb. Then see if there is negation in the sentence. If there is na and pa, so it will be put between the verb, na or pa. Then the rest one object, you can just see to it and arrange it. Clear? Let us start doing the first one. Par, na, set, il, pa, passe, vi. So first of all, what is the subject? Il is the subject. Then you can see na and pa is given. So this means this is the negative verb. The sentence is negative. So il na. Now you can check verb is passe. Il na passe pas. अब आप देखिए what is left. Par set vi. Par set vi. तो ये इसी वाले सीरीज में आएगा because this is only the answer. Il na passe pas. Par set vi. He is not crossing from this city. Now B part. Check. What is the subject? L is the subject. Negation is also given. No. Verb is comprendre. Elle ne comprend pas. बचा क्या? Set और question बता. बचा और ऐसे ही आएगा. Set question. And question mark is given, so you are also going to put the question mark. Just see to the affirmations whatever are given in the question. Next, the verb is subject is vous. Negation is not there. Verb is pouvez. Vous pouvez donner. In last class we have done the verb in infinitive, that whenever two verbs are given in the question, so first after the subject we are going to write the verb which will conjugate, which is conjugated verb. So pouvez is conjugated verb and donate is a complete verb. Donate, er is also there, that means this is a complete infinitive verb. So first conjugated verb will become and then infinitive verb will come. So vous pouvez donner ces journaux. By this way your answer will never be get wrong. Clear? Again, nous conjugated is voulons and infinitive verb is partir. Nous voulons partir pour le Canada. E part, we want to leave for Canada. Now, E part, the subject is institutrice. Institutrice Ensoigner is the verb. Ensoign. Très bien. Very good. The teacher teach very good in my class. Dans ma classe. Institutrice enseigne très bien dans ma classe. Okay, question number 4 now. In question number 4, you need to correct the words. Okay, if any word is given wrong, you have to correct it. Okay, I am just only writing the word which is wrong. Rest of the sentence you are going to write it same. One I am doing it for you, rest you are going to do it by yourself. First is le montant. The CET आएगा. Set on coûte euro 200. So what is the change? What is the false one means? Set. CETTE नहीं आएगा set में. CET आएगा because om is a man and it is starting with a vowel. Whenever any word is singular and it is vowel also and it is masculine also, we are going to put CET in front of that. So set, you have to change set to set. Okay. Next, je range ces dossiers dans ce armoire. First of all, the wrong one is say dossier nahi hoga because there is no S. There is no S. So it will be sir dossier. Say will be changed to sir and sir armoire nahi hota hai. It is set armoire. CET because armoire is masculine and starting with a verb. Clear? So you are going to write complete sentence. Je range. And with je, it's written range. Je range. ES is there. So with je, S is not there. What is it? RANGE. Je range ce dossier dans cet armoire. C part, it is given il voulait. Voulait नहीं होगा, voit होगा, VOIS. VOIT. il के साथ voit आता है vouloir verb में. Il voit faire ce travail à l'heure. Rest is same. No change. D part, it is written je VOIT. Je vois. It's not VOIT, it's VOIS. Je vois. So, set film. It is given CET film. You can see F is not a vowel, but here the adjective demonstrative is given in front of vowel. It is sir film. Set film will change to sir film. Then it is written mo fami. Mo will be changed to ma because fami is feminine. It's ma fami, not mo fami. E part, the last one. Emily écrit cette lettre à ses grands-parents. Écrit is not the correct form, conjugated form of the verb. It is écrit. Because with il and l in écrire verb, the conjugation is écrit. Emily écrit cette lettre à ses grands-parents. Rest is same. No changes there. So here are the changes which are done. Whatever changes we have to do in question number 7, only that I am going to write. Rest all is the same. Okay? Sa carnaval est célèbre. You have to change this into plural. Sa is the adjective demonstrative, which will change to ces. Carnaval, the words which end with al, if we have to make it plural, it will change to aux. So say carnaval sont. Est will change to sont. Est is the adverb which is used with il and l. So if we have to make it plural, we have to write the conjugation which is done with ils and else. So in adverb with ils and else, sont is written. Say carnaval sont célèbre. S लगाएंगे हम इसमें to make it plural. B part. C'est un nouvel ordinateur. Say will change to ce sont. A will change to des. Nouvelle will change to nouveau. Ordinateur will change to ordinateurs. S will be added. J'achète cette chaise. What is the plural of je? The plural of je is nous. nous के साथ आश्रित वर्ब में क्या आता है? It comes आश्रितों. nous आश्रितों. Set will change to ces. Chaise will be changed to chaise. S will be added. We are going to purchase new chairs. D part. Cette vieille dame est ma tante. This old lady is my aunt. So set will change to say. Vi will change to vieux. Vieux. Dame. Lady will change to ladies. Dames. Is it clear now? Say vieille dame. So ma will change to may. Tante will change to taunts. These old ladies are my aunts. E part. Je lis ce roman intéressant. Je lis will come to je का plural होता है nous lisons. So if you are going to change the subject, accordingly you are going to change the verb also. Je का plural nous होता है तो ली का plural lisons होगा. nous के साथ जो conjugation आता है, you are going to write that. nous lisons. Ce will change to say. रोमा के साथ s लगाएंगे. journal. रोमा इंटेरेसों के साथ भी आप s लगाएंगे. F part. त्यू दौन. त्यू का प्लूरल होता है वो. दौन के साथ आएगा दौने. ez. वो दौने. Set will change to say. Born will change to bonds. Either will change to evils. You are giving the good ideas. G part. Le fils de mon voisin arrive ce matin. The son of my neighbor is coming this morning. The le fils will be changed to les fils. The mes voisins, of my neighbors. Arrive will change to arrivant. ENT. Ça will change to say. Matin will change to. Sa mata will remain same because morning cannot be mornings. Morning का mornings नहीं हो सकता. Last part, H part. Ce chien est dangereux. This dog is dangerous. Ce chien will be changed to ces chiens. These dogs. A will change to sont. Dangerous will remain same. It is already in plural. So this completes with question number 7. Only this much we are going to do today.